Morning everybody. Today we are having a look at some of the different applications on Hub. So you will need to log in onto your Hub account and scroll down and click into Just2Easy. We can have a little look at JIT today. Now there's lots of things you can do on JIT, but today we're going to have a look at the painting section. Okay, so here we go. So you can choose any one of these backgrounds. You can see there's quite a few things on here. You can even do a bit of colouring at the bottom if you wanted to practice your colouring skills there. I am going to go into the park. Okay, now you need to make my paintbrush a little bit smaller. Okay, because I might attempt to have a go at drawing a mini beast. I'm going to go for a black outline here. I'm going to do a curve all the way around there and all across the bottom here. And I'm going to do 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I'm going to fill this in. Okay, to fill this. Oh, actually, no, I'm not going to fill it in just yet. I think I might do a little section there, so I can do an eye and a smile. Okay, so I'm going to change the colour to red, and I'm going to fill in this section here and this section here, and then I'm going to make my paintbrush a little bit bigger, okay, because I want to put in some, maybe a little bit smaller. I want to put on some spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go for a ladybird. I think they should have some wings, shouldn't they? So I'm going to put 2 wings up here. 1 and 2. Okay, and I better put some veins on here as well. Here we go, to make it look more wingy. And this is a texture button here, so you can play around with some different textures. So maybe I'll have a go at this one here and fill that in there, so it makes it look, oops, oh, we didn't need to do that. What we're going to do now, if you click this button up here, it's undo. Okay, you have to be careful if you're filling in. Okay, so where that little bit is there we go. Okay, so there is our ladybird. Now you can have a go at writing ladybird on there by using the paintbrush. Okay, or we can add some more little friends. Now, if you want, this is quite a big bee here, but we could, let's put him over here, we could make some little bees as well. So shrink them down or make them bigger. Okay, so here we go. Got 1 big bee, 1 little bee. Let's see if we can find a ladybird on there as well, shall we? What grasshopper? Oh, there's a little ladybird. Hello. Okay, should we make a bigger one? We can have small, medium, and let's spin him around a bit. So we can go that way or that way. Okay, so we can put him down here. Okay, and there you have it. That's how you can explore using the paint on JIT. Good luck. Have fun exploring.